Wellness tourism is rapidly reshaping the way people travel, inviting individuals to venture beyond traditional vacations and embrace journeys of rejuvenation, healing, and self-discovery. Unlike conventional tourism, which often centers on sightseeing or leisure, wellness tourism is all about enhancing one's well-being, physically, mentally, and spiritually, through intentional experiences and holistic practices. Imagine waking to the gentle sound of waves, practicing yoga on a sun-drenched terrace, or soaking in mineral-rich hot springs nestled among mountains. These are just a few of the countless experiences that wellness tourism offers to those seeking respite from the stress and demands of everyday life. At its core, wellness tourism is about more than just relaxation. It's about transformation. It empowers travelers to pause, reflect, and reconnect with themselves, returning home not only refreshed, but also inspired to maintain healthier lifestyles. The rise of wellness tourism reflects a global shift in mindset. Today, more people recognize the importance of self-care and are willing to invest in experiences that support their health and happiness. This movement encompasses a broad spectrum of activities, from spa treatments, nutrition workshops, and fitness retreats to meditation, mindfulness, and even spiritual healing. Whether you're drawn to the serenity of a remote yoga retreat, the invigorating challenge of a hiking adventure, or the restorative benefits of detox programs, there's a wellness journey tailored to every preference and need. Destinations worldwide are embracing this trend, each putting their unique spin on wellness. In Thailand, ancient healing traditions blend with modern luxury in tranquil resorts overlooking lush jungles. In Iceland, travelers soak in geothermal waters under the northern lights, harnessing the Earth's natural energy to soothe body and mind. In India, centuries-old Ayurvedic practices guide guests through personalized therapies, herbal treatments, and mindful eating. Even urban centers now offer wellness escapes. Think rooftop gardens, meditation pods, and gourmet plant-based cuisine, all designed to help city dwellers find balance amidst the bustle. But wellness tourism is not solely about what you do during your stay. It's about creating lasting change. Many programs are designed to equip guests with tools and knowledge they can carry home. Nutritionists, fitness coaches, and wellness experts lead workshops and one-on-one sessions, empowering travelers to make informed choices long after their trip ends. The goal is to inspire true lifestyle shifts so the benefits of the journey endure. Sustainability and mindfulness are deeply woven into the fabric of wellness tourism. Eco-friendly resorts, plant-based menus, and community-based experiences are increasingly common, reflecting a growing awareness that personal well-being is intimately connected with the health of the planet. Travelers are encouraged to engage with local cultures, respect the environment, and support communities, making wellness tourism a catalyst for positive global impact. The appeal of wellness tourism is universal. Solo travelers find solace in self-empowerment. Couples rekindle connections through shared experiences. Friends bond over adventure and laughter, and families discover new ways to nurture each other. For many, these journeys are an antidote to burnout, a chance to unplug from technology, and a rare opportunity to focus on what truly matters: health, happiness, and harmony. As the world continues to evolve, the desire for meaningful, restorative travel experiences grows ever stronger. Wellness tourism stands at the crossroads of adventure and self-care, offering a path to rediscover joy, balance, and inner peace. Whether you seek quiet reflection, physical vitality, or a renewed sense of purpose, the world of wellness tourism is ready to welcome you and to guide you on a journey toward your best self.